Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering the headphones and the source. Put the Bowers and Wilkins PX into pairing mode by holding the power/Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. You should see the white or blue indicator. That means discoverable. On your phone or computer, open Bluetooth settings now and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Once done, keep headphones within 1 to 2 meters of the source and disable other active Bluetooth connections so the PX can pair cleanly without interference. You'll now pair the PX with your device. Tap Scan or Refresh in Bluetooth settings and select Bowers and Wilkins PX when it appears. If a confirmation dialog or PIN prompt shows, accept it. Most models just require you to confirm and occasionally the PIN 0000. Make sure to wait for a clear connected status or a chime from the headphones. This verifies the Bluetooth profile loaded. Once connected, test audio quickly by playing a short clip to confirm media audio is routed to the PX. Finish by selecting the PX as the audio output in your app or device settings and adjust volume and active noise cancellation to taste. If pairing fails, power cycle the headphones and the source, forget the PX in Bluetooth settings, then repeat pairing. This clears stale connections. If problems persist, open the Bowers and Wilkins app to check firmware and follow on-screen update steps. Updated firmware often fixes compatibility bugs. One key tip: move to a quieter RF environment if intermittent dropouts continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.